Hello everyone, I'm Victor. Welcome to the Oracle FLEXCUBE CASA training series. In today's session, we'll explore maintaining account class and understand how account classes define the default configuration inherited by customer account. By the end of this session, you'll understand the purpose of account class maintenance and learn how to invoke the account class maintenance screen. We'll also explore statement parameters, preferences, general ledger mappings, restrictions, banking channels, default limits, and other configurations that are inherited by customer accounts that an account class acts as a template for similar customer accounts. Instead of configuring every account individually, banks define common attributes such as general ledger mappings, passbook settings, checkbook facility, ATM availability, and statement preferences once at the account class level. Whenever a new customer account is created using that account class, these default settings are inherited automatically. Maintain an account class in Oracle FLEXCUBE. Invoke the account class maintenance screen using function ID STDACCLS. From this screen, you can create new account classes, modify existing ones, and configure default operational settings that will automatically apply to customer accounts. The Statement Parameters tab defines the default statement configuration for an account class. Here, you can configure statement frequency, statement cycle, statement format, balance statement preferences, and statement generation parameters. These settings become the default statement configuration for all customer accounts created under the account class. The Preferences tab allows banks to configure default operational behavior for an account class. This includes posting preferences, processing options, and customer service preferences. These configurations reduce repetitive setup because every customer account inherits these operational preferences during account creation. The GL Lines button is used to configure the default general ledger mappings for an account class. Debit GLs, credit GLs, and reporting GLs are maintained here. These mappings determine how accounting entries are posted and reported whenever transactions are performed on customer accounts. The Auto Deposits button enables automatic creation of linked deposit accounts for savings accounts. Banks can define the default deposit account class, applicable restrictions, and processing rules. When configured, Oracle FLEXCUBE automatically creates the linked deposit account whenever the required conditions are satisfied. Status rules allow Oracle FLEXCUBE to automatically change the status of customer accounts when predefined conditions are met. These rules help automate account lifecycle management by controlling status transitions, provisioning preferences, and related accounting behavior. The Amount Block button defines how funds can be reserved within customer accounts. Banks can temporarily block specific amounts to control fund utilization and enforce operational restrictions. These settings are inherited automatically by customer accounts belonging to the account class. The Restriction button is used to configure operational restrictions for an account class. Banks can control debit transactions, credit transactions, and other account operations. By maintaining these restrictions centrally, Oracle FLEXCUBE ensures consistent policy enforcement across all customer accounts created under the same account class. The Statement button is used to configure balance statement processing for an account class. Oracle FLEXCUBE supports both scheduled and on-demand generation of balance messages such as MT941 and interim transaction messages such as MT942. Banks can configure message generation parameters, scheduling, and reporting options that become available for customer accounts. The REG button is used to maintain regulatory information for an account class. Here, banks can define whether Regulation D is applicable and specify the applicable periodicity, such as monthly or statement cycle. These regulatory settings are inherited by customer accounts while still allowing modifications at the account level if required. The Notice button allows banks to configure notice preferences for withdrawals from applicable savings accounts. Parameters such as advance interest, monthly free amount, notice days, and validity period determine how withdrawals are processed when advance notice is required. These settings help banks enforce withdrawal policies consistently across customer accounts. The Banking Channels button defines which banking channels are available for an account class. Banks can enable services such as internet banking, mobile banking, ATM, and other supported delivery channels. These channel configurations are automatically inherited by customer accounts during account creation. The Default Limit screen is used to configure important limit-related parameters for an account class. Banks can define the margin on advance against uncollected funds, configure the fund utilization sequence, specify channel utilization sequences, and maintain CASA overdraft interest parameters including limit type, rate code, rate value, and minimum and maximum interest rates. These settings become the default behavior for applicable customer accounts. Now let's quickly summarize what we've learned. An account class acts as a reusable template for customer accounts. It centralizes common configurations including statement parameters, preferences, GL mappings, restrictions, notice preferences, banking channels, and default limits. By configuring these settings once at the account class level, banks ensure consistent account creation, operational efficiency, and regulatory compliance across the organization. Thank you for watching this Oracle FLEXCUBE CASA training session. I hope this video helped you understand how account class maintenance works and why it plays a critical role in customer account creation. If you found this session useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Oracle FLEXCUBE training videos. I'll see you in the next session. Hello, everyone.